$1,276,000. That's what's sitting in my Phantom wallet right now. And it's not from luck. It's from launching meme coins over and over. If you're trying to stack some real profits, keep watching, I'll show you how I did it. Be honest, how many times have you bought a meme coin just to watch it crash minutes later? That was me, until I realized I was playing the wrong side. Now I'm the one launching meme coins and not trading them, and watching my wallet grow with every single buy. Because the cold hard truth is that the people who are actually making the most amount of money off every single coin are the devs behind these coins, because they have nothing to lose. All they're doing is creating the coin and waiting for buyers to buy in, and then they exit with clean profits. And this strategy is 100% untapped, unsaturated, and you can make money on demand, consistently and fully repeatable. So make sure you keep watching, because I'm going to show you exactly how to flip the game and become a launcher. But obviously this video is 100% fake and made with AI, and all for educational purposes only, so please don't copy me. Cap! But anyways, now the first step is to actually find a way to make your coin. I would highly recommend to head over to token.Learn, because it's the #1 launching site on YouTube at the moment. And the reason why thousands of people use this website to make coins is because you don't need any coding skills required, and it launches in seconds. But the #1 key factor on why you have to be launching coins on token.Fun is that all the coins are going to be launched on the Radium DEX, which means that you will reach way more people, way more investors, and skip that bonding curve time. And if you guys don't know what that means, basically if you launch your coins on Pump.Fun, for example, your coin has to reach a $90,000 market cap for it to migrate directly on the Radium DEX to reach way more buyers, right? But if you go directly through token.Fun, you are skipping all that migration time, and your coin will be immediately graduated on the Radium DEX. So you have to be using token.Fun to maximize your profits. Now, to create your coin, you have two different ways to do it. The first way is to make it from scratch. So basically you would build your own custom coin, okay? All you would have to do is find a good narrative on Twitter, right? It could be a viral meme, just anything viral, right? And you would make your coin here by putting a token name, symbol, and image. It's really that simple, and anybody could do this. But the problem is that if you make your own coins, it's basically a hit or miss if people will buy. So in my personal opinion, I would highly recommend the second option, and it's by copying trending coins. Basically all we do is we steal these coins, we steal all these narratives, we list them back up on the Radium DEX, and we profit way more money because all these coins are already proven to get buyers. And since all these coins are already profit proven, all you would have to do is copy the coin, list it, dump it, and then rinse and repeat until you have a lot of money. But anyways, I'm gonna stop yapping and let's make some money. So I'm gonna copy a coin. Okay, the Elon birthday just caught my attention. It has almost 40 replies, a last buy 8 seconds ago, and a $30,000 market cap. I'm pretty convinced I could make a couple $1,000. So I'm gonna create coin. Your Phantom will pop up. A warning is gonna pop up. It's completely normal. Just proceed anyway. Confirm, understand, confirm. And then your coin should be copied. Just give it a moment. Boom! Now, as you can see on SoScan, it is fully minted on the blockchain. So the site actually works, and now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now here it is, pretty simple. Basically, all we're going to do, okay, is make the coin tradable on the blockchain. So select your coin, here select your Solana binds, amount token A, click on 90%, that will drop 900 million coins in the pool. Now for the amount token B, you can put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 SOL. I'm going to drop 0.4 SOL. That's basically the first buy inside your own coin. You are not losing this money since you are the first buyer in your own coin, obviously, okay? You will get it back later. And now it's time to click create pool. Your Phantom should pop up. Yes sir. And then click confirm, and after that simply just refresh. Then simply scroll down, and yes sir, it is there. It popped up Elon B-Day, which means Elon birthday is on, and we're already up $50 in profit. Now to check your profits, okay, simply just click on refresh. And as you can see, we're up $100 now, so it's exponential going up. And then to view your chart, click on view on photon. And boom, now the coin is live. As you guys can see, the chart spiked at 17k in market cap, 40k in volume in a matter of minutes. Oh my god, let me go see the transactions. Okay, it's really volatile. A bunch of buyers are coming in. Oh my god. Yo, so many buyers are coming in, bro. It's literally a printing machine. Now, I'm pretty sure we're really up in profits, maybe a couple $1,000s. Now, guys, we have to stay focused, okay? When you launch your coin, you have to stay focused, breathe, and don't get too excited, because yes, you are printing money, but you have to stay relaxed. Now, as devs, we have to be looking at the volume, the transactions, and the liquidity, okay? The market cap is kind of useless for us, okay? It's at 17k. Now, to check your profits, okay, come back to create token.Fun. After that, simply click on refresh like before. And boom, we're up $1.4 thousand with this one coin, bro. It's at 17k. We're up $1.4 thousand. Now, guys, I'm gonna give this coin around 5 to 10 minutes, and I'm gonna be right back. I will do a quick time lapse. Okay, guys, I'm back. It's been like 15 to like 25 minutes. I'm not sure because I went to eat, but as you guys can see, it's stabilized at a $22,000 market cap. There's still a couple transactions coming in here and there, but yeah, it's kind of dead. It peaked 25 grand, and there is 20.5 thousand in liquidity, 700 transactions, and a $48,000 volume. And personally, I still believe in this coin. I think it could go like at least to like 50k, then I could take out some profits. But yeah, guys, to remove the liquidity, come back to create tokens.Fun. Oh yeah, and first of all, just refresh to see where we're at. Okay, we're up $2.4 thousand of this coin at the moment with a $22,000 market cap. Now, to remove the liquidity, click on the minus button, and here you can choose the percentage that you want to remove. Now, it all depends on your greed or if you believe in the coin. I personally believe in this project, even though I copied it, right? So I'm gonna remove around 30%, okay? Okay, fuck it. 32%, remove the liquidity, your phantom wallet should pop up. And as you guys can see here, we're going to receive 4 so on the dot, which is like 30%. Now, click confirm, my bad. And boom, we just removed 30% of the liquidity. If you want to remove the rest, just do it again, boom. And if I open my wallet for proof, as you guys can see, 4 so is in my wallet. Let's fucking go. That's around 600 bucks. Yo, I swear to god, guys, it's a literal money printer. Make sure you use create tokens.Fun now. It's linked in the comments down below or in the description. And if you want to enter the 1 so giveaway, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe. And yeah, bye.